Hi guys, Kyung here, and I'm so excited. I finished off um my journal, right? So this is Calligraphers Garden, okay? This was the guest design team project I was doing for Lorna over at TaylorMadeJournals. So this journal is made with her kit. And then the cover I made with a botanical book page and some fabric and a little butterfly, and there's a little bumblebee and a couple of flowers and like a place for a label. And I'll have all the links in the description below to her shop and to her Instagram and to this kit specifically, the Calligrapher's Garden kit. So here it ties with these pretty trims, right? And it opens up, dum dum. And here is the start. So on the inside, I put in this like really nice fabric. I thought that was really nice. And here's our first signature. I put tabs all the way down the journal because I love that. And I distressed I'm pretty sure every single page. I distressed every single page, right? So it's all floofy and nice. I love this kit. I had so much fun playing with this kit. Okay, so here's a place to journal. Here we have a notebook, right? And this is just a pocket, right? And here is, oh, it's not a notebook, it's an envelope. What's in the envelope? Okay, we have a journaling card, looks like, and a piece of journaling paper, right? Isn't that envelope gorgeous? Oh, I love it, right? Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Oh, it's amazing. Yes, I love. Okay, and then here we have this page, right? And this flips open like this, right? And it just gets tucked in behind that flower like that. And then we have this butterfly is like a tuck, right? And we have some pretty like handwriting calligraphy with one of those die cuts and just some journaling. And then we have here a pocket with tags, right, that come from the kit. Just backed onto some coffee dyed paper. More space to journal, right? This is one of these little envelopes that come in the kit. Did I put anything in it? Nope, but I will. I'm going to put stickers and little surprises and stuff in there. So that's that. Here is another page with some tickets. This one I backed with coffee dyed lined paper. This was a botanical page and I colored it in with distress ink. That's what I did. Here's like a pocket. It's like a pocket. They're stuffed pockets is what it is. And it's stuffed with a bunch of like these little bits from the kit. Little pieces of ephemera that I didn't use, that I had left over throughout the journal. I thought fit in perfect, right? 3 of these little journaling cards that I distressed the edges to. I love this little artichoke. I think that's what that is. Right? More journaling cards. Just stuffed with like journaling cards. And then on this page, right, we have a pocket with a pretty like acetate decorated page. And it's got tags and a little journaling card, just bits from the kit. Here we have a notebook, right, and it has a pocket on the front of it that has a journaling card backed with coffee dyed paper. I love this like music. I think that's what it's supposed, I don't know, but it's awesome. And yep, it's just filled with coffee dyed paper, right? And it goes in that pocket like that. Here we have this pocket, and it has some journaling cards and tags. I just stitched around and backed with some coffee dyed paper. This flips open like that. Isn't that cute? And you can write on it or whatever. And then on the inside we have just some journaling paper, right, that I decorated with bits of this. This is a greeting card flip. Dum dum, and it has a pocket, right? That's backed with journaling, coffee dyed paper. Lots of coffee dyed paper. Oh, here's a journaling card I made with one of Lorna's stamps. I embossed it, and then I tried to like color it in a little bit. I don't know. It's okay. I don't mind it. It's good. I stenciled here. This is a faux envelope, right, that you can journal on. It's got stickers and stuff, right, on the inside. Oh, it's upside down. Anyway, yes, sing loud. Just lots of journaling. Here's another envelope. I made this envelope out of one of the papers that comes in the kit. And I put a pocket on the front with a journaling card because I thought that was cute. Put a stamp on it and everything. And inside, I think, is a notebook. Yes, a pretty notebook. And it's filled with coffee dyed graph paper. And here's the back of it. Super pretty. So that goes in that envelope. Which just gets, I just have it paper clipped on there. And then on this side, this is just a cute little journaling piece. Right, another one of these little envelopes that came with the kit. It is filled with like little labels and stickers and goodies. And then we have a book page that I loved. It had a book illustration on it of this guy carrying these garden pots. He looks determined to plant these garden pots. Here's another one of those botanical pages that I colored with distress ink. And we have this envelope that I decorated. Put that jar on top. And inside we have just this beet dyed pink paper. And I put some bits in there, right? So a butterfly sticker, a rose sticker, and a love quote that you can, you know, put in the journal or whatever you want to do. It goes in the pocket like that. Oh, so pretty. More journaling, right? More of, this is a page from her kit. A lot of these pages, right, with the lines and stuff came from her kit. Here we go. We have this little flip altered file folder thing with, and there's a pocket down here with just a journaling card. I love that toad. Right, we have more journaling. We have this acetate page, right, with some dried flowers inside. And this is like wrapping paper I used. Some pretty wrapping paper. And then just a journaling card with the mouse. And then this is a book page, a botanical book page. And I inked it and distressed it and just folded it up. Isn't it gorgeous? Just to put in the journal. So it goes in there. And then this is our last page, and it just has this journaling card. And that's it. That's the journal. I had so much fun using this kit. I love the way that the journal came out. It's just gorgeous. I'll probably use it multiple times and multiple bits for different journals. I absolutely love it. Look at that page. I mean, you could like use that just for tags and stuff. That's gorgeous. Oh, that's gorgeous. Anyway, this journal will be listed in my Etsy. And that's it. That's all I know. I'll be back soon because I am prepared and am ready to work on that door journal that I keep talking about. But I was so close to finishing this and I just wanted to finish it up. And so I'm happy it's done. Yay. Thank you so much, Lorna, for doing the guest design team thing. It was so much fun. I had so much fun. So, yay. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye!